and begin.
Hi, this is Sophia and this is my 24th video, and this is about 3 dogs going to a dog museum. Let's get started. Dad, what is it? Is this kind of a pet store or this a dog museum? We went to the right destination. You wished for a dog museum. Oh yeah, I knew that. Hey, excuse me. Oh, they want some tickets for the tour. Oh yeah. For free? Okay. Here we go. I'm your... Oh! You scared me. Okay. These are some legendary dogs. In Dogland, we found them in the sea. Only these ones. Oh, that's crazy. You're the statues. And these are some ridiculous. I mean, this is just a ridiculous prophecies for Dogland. A bottle. Who made the bottle, actually? Some treats, that's good. A ridiculous reindeer. And press his belly, it says, I'm just a little reindeer, yeah, yeah. And a unicorn, and a weird kind of bull. But who made the Red Bull, actually? Here we have some not extinct dogs. These are bulldogs. They're still in Dogland. But cheetahs live in Dogland as well. I know! And here is our president of the dogs. He's a statue in a cage.
Alin ba dito ang kay Pia? Yan po meron green. Yan. Ito?
I'm gonna lose my job. What was that? Let's go and continue. It's gonna close for 80 seconds. Oh.